Hey guys, welcome back to Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Paul. It's always great to see you. We're gonna make creamy Tuscan chicken today. Here's what you'll need. Some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, sun-dried tomatoes, a diced onion, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, some spinach, olive oil, a little Italian seasoning, some paprika, our old friends, salt and pepper, and of course we'll need some garlic. This one caught me off guard. It turned out much better than I expected. The trick is to keep a lid on the chicken while it cooks to keep it juicy and amazing. I can't wait to show you, so let's get our hands washed, grab the olive oil, squiggle some all over a pan and turn up the heat. While that is heating up, get out a bowl and toss in some salt with some fresh ground pepper, some paprika, and a good amount of Italian seasoning. Mix that all around and pick up the chicken. Wow, those are some big breasts! Smash them around in the spice mixture until the chicken is totally covered. I mean, really get in there, spread it all over, and thank me later. By now, the oil should be piping hot, so throw those spicy breasts in and... That's the sound of doing it right. And to make it extra flavorful, drop some of the oil from your sun-dried tomatoes in with the chicken. Then, trick I mentioned before, give it a hat to keep the chicken juicy. A few minutes later, give them a flip and a hat. After a few more minutes, shove them onto a side plate so they can think about what they've done. Add a little more olive oil to the same pan the chicken was in and hurl in the onion. Stir it around for a couple minutes to soften them up. Then drop in the sun-dried tomatoes and give those a good stir as well. Now it's time for your garlic, followed by the inevitable drooling. I mean stirring. Next, we throw in the spinach, which only needs a minute or two to cook down. Stir it around and grab the heavy cream. Pour it all over everything and give it another good stir. This brings it all together. And don't forget about the cheese! Sprinkle the freshly grated Parmesan throughout the pan and slowly stir it in. Time to bring the chicken back! Plop them down and cover them with this incredible creamy mixture you've created. Let them simmer a few more minutes before serving, and put something green on the side, like asparagus. And that's how you make creamy Tuscan chicken, which I really cannot wait to eat. For more recipes and videos like this, go ahead, drop a like on this one. Better yet, subscribe to my channel, just click on my face around here somewhere. This has been Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Paul. See you next time. Some sun-dried tomatoes that are leaking.